Alright, here's my latest project. Ocean Kayak Trident 13. I just bought this on the way home from work today. Complete. It's got the center hatch, it's got the hatch where you put your depth finder. It's got all the bungees, all the D-rings, the paddle holders. I even got a paddle and a life jacket and the book that goes with it. But I got a good deal on it because of this. Here we go. We're going inside the belly of the beast. There's a crack that starts from there, goes along, it comes up here, goes up all the way up to right here. So I got a really good deal on it. But for me, I've already figured out how I'm going to patch it, and I'm going to make videos on how I do it. And then I'm going to kick the hell out of it, see if I can make it snap back open again. But it's got everything. It's got the little battery pouch right there. I've got batteries for that. Let me close this hatch here. We'll try to close it with one hand. Anyway, I'll show you what the crack looks like from the bottom. It was in storage with all the hatches closed and the drain closed, so I guess it got hot and it exploded. Wish there would have been some kind of warning about that before, but that's what happened to it. At least that's what I think happened to it. When you go take the kayak out of storage and it's been in there by itself and all of a sudden it's cracked. But I'm going to add things to it. I'm going to add an anchor trolley to it. I'm going to design and build my own rudder system for it. So that's going to go here. Of course, I'll probably look up what the Ocean Kayak rudder looks like and make a mount for mine that goes there. So this is my next project. This is my present project. My little camo John boat. There's my 20-footer, and over there's my pontoon kayak, and then up there I have a Perception Pescador 12.0. And this is the latest project, Ocean Kayak Trident 13. Thanks for watching.